Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for water sign Scorpio for the month of August. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So let's see your recent past Scorpio. Nine of Cups. Who? See here, Two of Cups. Okay, let's see. The Sun. Wow, beautiful past. Because Nine of Cups, Two of Cups and the Sun. Three major arcanas in the deck. Yeah, you both are happy with each other. You are both wish fulfillment with each other, for one another. And Two of Cups, you both share equal love. There is equal love between both of you. You are their wish fulfillment and your person is your wish fulfillment. Nine of Cups is wish fulfillment card. The Sun, the positive card in the whole deck. Beautiful past. So let's see your feelings towards your person. Scorpio, very good start. See, King of Cups, lot of water energy. Your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Two of Wands. Wow. Four of Swords and Wheel of Fortune. So let's see your person feelings towards you. What is going on your connection? I think you are very positive about your person, but your person not here. The card saying, because Ten of Wands, aloneness means Hermit, and ordinariness means Eight of Pentacles, letting go. Eight of Cups. For some there is separation. In past you both happy with each other. So then what happened? What is going? I think you also thinking about your person a lot. Four of Swords. I think for this separation you are thinking about a lot, but things are turning in your favor. Definitely Scorpio, Wheel of Fortune is here. You are thinking definitely Two of Wands. This could be long distance relationship, and both cards are relating to thinking. And you want to offer this cup of love to you. You are ready to offer this, but your person thinking about you. I think they are taking the responsibility in this connection more. That's why they are feeling like suppression. Ten of Wands. That's why so they maybe walked away in this connection. So they still want to work on this relationship, their feelings towards this connection and you, but they want equal give and take in this connection. Because one person not in any relationship, both have to work equally, then any relationship is going to be next level. So you are ready, Scorpio, to offer, but your person right now feeling very suppression, and they are in some aloneness. So let's see mutual energy between both of you. They are still hoping for the connection, but mutual energy. Success. Six of Wands. Your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. The Magician. Wow. Yes, you both again reconcile with each other in near future, definitely, because the Success is here, the center card, and the Magician. I think you Scorpio, manifest your person again in your life. So let's pull some more cards from universe for final message, Scorpio. Politics, mind games, manipulation. Nine of Pentacles and the last card, existence. Magician. 2 times Magician card. Definitely this connection, I think you are in Magician state, Scorpio. Whatever you are thinking, it is going to be manifest. Be careful while thinking, because the manifestation, the Magician energy is very powerful energy. So witness Nine of Pentacles. Definitely you stand by your power. You are wishing for your person. Definitely it is going to be, but from your person side there are some sneaky energy. It has to be released first, because Seven of Politics means there are some mind games and manipulation. So let's see one more card for this clarification. Politics. Yes, Two of Swords. They are at some crossroads. They are not deciding what to do, what not to do. So you are hoping for this connection. Still your person also, I think for some your person is right now working on their career and finances. 8 of Pentacles is here. After they're feeling very suppression and letting go, but you are going towards your person. Postponement. Yes, it will take time for reconciliation, but Scorpio, you stand by your power. Definitely you are in magician state. So this is the reading for you, Scorpio. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.